Hello everyone. Today we are going to take class 7 literature reader Honeycomb unit number 3 Gopal and the Hilsa fish. At the end of this video, the students will be able to understand that at times madness can be good. To examine Gopal's wisdom in handling the difficult situation, to know the value of curiosity. So, let us read the comic story Gopal and the Hilsa fish. It was the season for Hilsa fish. Fishermen could think of nothing but Hilsa fish. Fishermongers sold nothing but Hilsa fish. Come, buy. The price of Hilsa is down today. Householders could talk of nothing but Hilsa fish. How much did you pay for that Hilsa? You wouldn't believe if I could tell you. And in the palace too, the courtiers could discuss nothing but Hilsa fish. Your Majesty, you should have seen the huge Hilsa I caught it was. The beginning of the season for Hilsa fish made the fishermen very busy. The fishermen just kept catching Hilsa fish in the sea. Not just the fishermen, but the other people in general too were excited about the fish. They had only one topic to discuss the Hilsa fish. Of the Hilsa fish even reached the king's palace. Stop it. Are you a courtier or a fisherman? The courtier fell silent with downcast eyes. The king felt guilty. I am sorry. I lost my temper. It is the season for Hilsa fish, and no one, not even Gopal, can stop anyone from talking about Hilsa fish, not even for 5 minutes. Oh, I think I could, Your Majesty. Then let me see you buy a huge Hilsa and bring it to the palace without anyone asking you a word about it. I accept the challenge, Your Majesty. The courtiers also got excited. They rushed to the king to give him the news. On hearing this, the king got angry. The king even scolded his courtiers and reminded them of their positions. He even scolded them for taking interest in such things which should interest only the fishermen, and it was also against the dignity of their position. But very soon he realized the mistake made by him and even felt sorry for losing his temper. He agreed to the fact that no one, even Gopal, the king's favorite courtier, could not stop the others from talking about the Hilsa fish. On the contrary, Gopal stated that he could stop the people to talk about Hilsa fish among the courtiers. On hearing this, the king challenged Gopal to buy a huge Hilsa fish without anyone talking about it. A few days later, why is your face half shaven? I'm dressing up to buy a fish. What's the matter with you? Why are you smearing yourself with ash? I told you I'm dressing up to buy a Hilsa fish. Listen to me, please. You can't possibly go out in those disgraceful rags. What are you up to? How many times must I tell you, woman? I'm out to buy a huge Hilsa fish. It's happened to him. What's happened to him? He has gone mad. After a few days, Gopal went out to buy Hilsa fish, but he changed his appearance by partly showing his face and smeared ash on himself. He even wore rag clothes. Gopal bought the Hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace. Mother, look at that man. Isn't he comical? He must be a madman. Hush, I think he is a mystic. When Gopal reached the court, what do you want? I want to see the king. You can't see the king. Get away with you. Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. Everyone stopped talking about the Hilsa fish, but about the abnormal appearance of the man. On seeing him, people thought that he was mad. Everyone became so busy and amazed on seeing such a queer sort of man that they failed to notice the Hilsa fish in his hand. When he came outside the palace, the guards did not allow him to go inside. He began dancing and singing in a mad, loud manner. Inside the palace, the man is crazy. Throw him out at once. I want to see the king. Let me in. Bring that man to me at once. Yes, Your Majesty. Gopal was brought before the king. It's Gopal. The man has lost his mind. I think it's one of his crazy jokes. Finally, the king ordered the guards to bring the man inside. Unlike the other people, the other courtiers recognized Gopal and felt that he had gone mad. They too did not pay any heed to the fish. All right, Gopal, out with it. Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion? Your Majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. Forgotten something? Strangely enough, no one seems to be interested in Hilsa fish today. From the market to the palace and in the court, not a soul has spoken a word about Hilsa fish. Only then did the king remember the challenge he had thrown to Gopal. Ha ha ha! Well, Gopal, congratulations, you have achieved the impossible once again. Then Gopal announced to the king that he had won his challenge. He was praised by the king and courtiers for his usual and uncommon wit and talent. So, in this way, Gopal has proved himself witty, and with the help of his wisdom, he came out of a difficult situation. He was able to complete the challenge which was given by the king to him. So I hope you all have understood the story Gopal and the Hilsa fish. In the next video, we will see the question answers of this story. Thank you.